Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up a job application form in WordPress with Bitform. First, let's create a new form. You will see a few default job application form templates that you can use according to your needs. But for this demonstration, I'll select a blank template. Next, simply drag and drop the fields you want to include. I'll also customize the field names, placeholder text, and field sizes to make the job application form more user-friendly. With Bitform, you can easily add common fields such as name, email, address, drop-downs, and the essential file upload field to collect resumes in your job application form. Once that's done, I'll make all fields required so applicants must fill them out before submitting. When the job application form is ready, simply update it. Then copy the form shortcode. Head over to the Pages section. Create a new page. Give it a title. And paste the shortcode. Finally, publish the page. And that's it. Your job application form is now live and working perfectly on your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.